Hi, my name is Barbara Friedberg. I'm a former portfolio manager and university investments instructor. Today, we're going to delve into M1 Finance and Vanguard Robo-Advisors, two well-regarded investment managers. And this review will help you figure out which one is best for you. Before we get started, there's one basic difference that will get you started. M1 Finance basic service of investment management is free, and they only require $100 to get started. That is in contrast with Vanguard's digital advisor services, which requires $3,000 to get started and does charge a low 0.15 management fee. So, if you need more information than just that, let's get started. Today we'll cover what is M1 Finance, what are Vanguard's two robo-advisor services, who each one of the platforms is best for. Then we'll get into the specific features, and depending on which features are important to you, this segment will help you compare and contrast which one of the platforms might be most suitable. Finally, we'll wrap up with a quick overview of the Vanguard brokerage service, and then a last wrap up. So let's get started. Vanguard is a all-in-one investment brokerage firm. They offer two robo-advisors or digital investment managers. Their basic bare bones option is called a digital advisor, and it offers computerized investment management, while their personal advisor services is for higher net worth individuals and is guided by a human financial advisor with automated investment advice as well. In contrast, M1 Finance was created as only an investing management and DIY platform. M1 Finance offers two different types of services. One are managed portfolios, they're robo-advisory portfolios, and then a DIY section where you can pick and choose investments and ETFs or exchange traded funds and individual stocks to buy and sell. Let's take a quick view over to M1 Finance. This happens to be my account. I have a managed portfolio, which means I have selected two pre-made investment portfolios. The Global Dividend, which houses 5 different dividend-paying funds from stock and bond funds. And 50% of my investments are included in this slice of what they call an investment pie. And then the other half is included in the M1 60/40 stock and bond portfolio. And these are from their pre-made expert investment pies. And you can see the selection of their pies right here. And this is one of the things that I love about M1 is if you're a lazy investor, okay, I admit it, I've gotten lazier over the years, and you just want someone to do it for you. There are scores of different portfolios that you can just pick and choose and invest in, from general investing, retirement, socially responsible income portfolios. You can even follow hedge funds and just stocks and bonds. So this is the segment of your pre-made investment portfolios or expert pies. Then, if you want to pick and choose your own, here you go to your stocks, and there are 6,000 choices of both stocks and exchange traded funds on the platform. And you have different filters that can help you create your stock portfolio as well as your fund portfolio. M1 Finance also offers a debit card and cash account. So if you're looking for kind of a one-stop shop, you can get faster access to your money. You can use their 1% cashback debit card, as well as once your account tops a certain level, you can also borrow at one of the lowest rates available. So you can borrow up to 35% of your portfolio value once you have $10,000 invested. So that's M1 Finance in a nutshell. Now, let's contrast that with your Vanguard Digital and Personal Advisor Services, which are their two robo-advisory services. Here on the Vanguard platform, they have something for everyone. For those who want the fully digital experience, they have a very bare bones robo-advisor, which means you take a quiz and you get a sample portfolio of investments that are created in line with your goals and your risk tolerance level. It is 100% online and it only includes 4 Vanguard ETFs. As we said before, the entrance for that is a minimum of $3,000 and the fee is 0.15% of assets under management. I'm not crazy about this one. I think you can do better in terms of a full service digital robo-advisor. But if you're already a Vanguard client, you might like this platform. Now, the investors who are seeking more of a comprehensive platform and do have $50,000 in their Vanguard accounts can go for the more sophisticated and comprehensive Vanguard Personal Advisor Services. And this platform is driven first by your human financial advisor. And they meet with you and discuss your goals and your needs and is much more comprehensive. You get a full service financial plan. Your investment account can include mutual funds. It can include actually individual stocks and bonds as well. And you have access to a financial advisor whenever you would like. Now, this platform charges 0.30% of assets under management until your account reaches $5 million. And then as the value of your account goes up, you will pay lower fees. I have to put a plug in for this, what we call a hybrid, which is a personal advisor, human-driven, and combination robo-advisor platform. The fee of 0.30% is very, very reasonable. Accounts available, both of them offer a pretty good variety of accounts. So that's not a huge differentiator. And in terms of advice, you can reach both of them during normal business hours. Now, within the platform itself, M1 Finance does have their cash management, which we discussed. For investors to get cash management, they can simply open a brokerage account at Vanguard. But the robo-advisors themselves don't offer a cash management plan. As we said, it's an awfully big draw that M1 Finance offers free investment management and free trading and commission-free trading. Now, at Vanguard, on the other hand, although their robo-advisors do have fees. If you wanted to open a brokerage account and buy and sell stocks, bonds, funds, CDs at Vanguard, of course, there is commission-free online trading. I have to give a really big shout out to Vanguard because of their extensive litany of educational resources and calculators. So the choice is really kind of clear. M1 Finance is best for investors who want free investment management, long-term investors seeking commission-free trading, small investors who want to get started with just $100, and those seeking pre-made investment portfolios. Those that want borrowing and cash management under one roof would also be happy with M1 Finance. The Vanguard robo-advisors are best for those that want their services from a comprehensive financial firm. Now, of course, you could also look at Schwab, Fidelity, Merrill, Chase, Axos Invest, and Ally Investing for a big financial firm as well for your robo-advisors. But I don't want to get you confused today because we are really just focusing on M1 Finance and Vanguard. So Vanguard, M1 Plus does have a more comprehensive service that you pay for $125 a year. This is called M1 Plus. So if you want more than one trading window in a day, lower borrowing costs, and the cash management does require that you have the M1 Plus account. So let's get down to our wrap-up. Is M1 Finance or Vanguard Digital and Personal Advisors best for you? And just to mention, I do have accounts at both firms. I have an M1 Finance account and I have a Vanguard brokerage account. I do not have their robo-advisors, but I do my own investing on the Vanguard platform. M1 Finance will be best for you if you're seeking an affordable and easily accessible robo-advisor. It's good for new investors and experts who want access to thousands of distinct ETFs and individual stocks. It's great if you want pre-made portfolios or DIY. This is a really sound choice for most investors. Now, Vanguard is your only choice if you have $50,000 and are looking for a hybrid model that offers financial advisors. So if you want the personal advisors, then you'll need to go to Vanguard. Although for your basic robo-advisor, I would not choose Vanguard's. I think it's very basic. You don't get a lot of bells and whistles. And if you want a comprehensive digital robo-advisor, I would lead toward M1 Finance, or you might want to look at many of the other digital robo-advisors that are available. I think that are a little more comprehensive than the Vanguard platform. So please subscribe to my channel. Leave any questions or comments at the bottom. I will include links to both of the platforms below this video. And if you do click on the M1 Finance, be aware that that is an affiliate link. And if you sign up through that link, I will get a small commission to help fund the channel, although you certainly do not have to use my link. I'm Barbara Friedberg. Thank you so much for checking in, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.